Steve,
That's the last one you get on film from me, bud.
what happened?
Take off.
Got it?
1, 2, 3.
Right out of the gate.
Landing! Did you get that? Did you get that?
Got it.
My motor just cut out. I didn't hit anybody.
Put it back up. Put it back up.
Oh, you ass! You broke my control horn.
I did that.
That was you?
I'll tell you one.
Give me a cut. Give me a cut, Cody.
Come on, Cody, put it up.
Right, Buck?
Sí, claro.
Is that? Oh. Can't see. Oh. Wait. You get it? Got it?
I got it.
What happened?
What happened?
Your head was right in the way.
It was all your
I was
fault,
standing right here.
Right, did you see him? Look at the angle here. You know, it's low, and he's right in the way.
I'm standing right here. You got the whole. You got the whole freaking sky. You got the whole goddamn sky.
Hey,
Hey,
Buck.
did you do that again? I missed it.
But I'll do anything for a video.
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
It's never the pilot's fault, man.
And never.
It's always the cameraman.
It's always a cameraman.
Come on, bud. Let's go see the carnage.
Oh, carnage. And we're gonna take a brief timeout.
Come on.
Faster! 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 Faster!
Nope.
Dude, that was great.